Hello, my name is Julio Marte, and this is my project, Learn Spanish. The problem is, despite being the second most spoken language in the world, many individuals still do not speak Spanish. Knowing Spanish could open doors to travel, business opportunities, and friendships with Spanish speakers. Studies suggest learning a new language can also improve memory, focus, and even delay cognitive decline. So my solution is to create Learn Spanish, an application that consists of Spanish quizzes that helps users learn and improve their skills in the language. So my solution offers bite-sized quizzes. My app can make learning Spanish convenient and manageable for busy people. I'm considering incorporating points, badges, or leaderboards to make the quizzes fun and competitive. This can also be especially motivating for beginners. I settled on this solution because I believe there was something very engaging, especially since a lot of people own and are on their phone on a daily basis. Beyond quizzes, I can offer structured courses with interactive elements like voice recognition, conversation, simulations, and gamified exercises. AI chatbots can provide personalized feedback and conversation practice adapted to the user's learning pace and level. Technology offers flexible and personalized learning options that cater to different learning styles. So to build my solution, I can leverage my existing quiz app as the core assessment tool and expand the quizzes to cover various aspects of Spanish learning: vocabulary, grammar, reading comprehension, and listening comprehension. I can also use Qt to implement the above and expand the app from just simple quizzes. So what I found challenging was the algorithm composition, because at first I didn't know if I wanted to have the quizzes random, like randomly generated, or random as in I set the numbers and they just randomly appear, but I ended up just doing it in order. And another challenge that I encountered was the Qt syntax and techniques. Notice a typo. So it was very difficult for me to understand the Qt syntax. So I should have really looked more into detail and looked more into it. But that's something I will definitely do in the future and improve this app so it can actually be used. So while working on the solution, I learned Qt syntax, the simple Qt syntax, and commands, how to change the color, button assignment, formatting, uh, next page, using widgets. So I accomplished the code 3 different quizzes of varying difficulties, and I implemented a high score system to motivate users to keep beating their personal best. This will keep bringing them back to the app. It's sort of like a game. So my next steps are to learn Qt more and generate the questions using the code I provided instead of the hard code I had written for the demo. To give a sample, this is how it would appear. You would press start and you'll find your difficulties, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. I will make it so that if you don't score an 8 or above in any of the prior difficulties, then you won't be able to move on to the next. So to unlock intermediate, you need at least an 8 in beginner to unlock intermediate. So beginner, so what's the color of the sky? Let's say we chose the right one this time, so it's going to be correct. You'll press next. And what is the planet known as the red planet? Let's say we choose Jupiter and get it wrong. Let's say incorrect, and so on and so forth. At the end of the game, it would also give you a score, your score, and then your high score. So this is the website I have created. It is called Learn Spanish. So here I will add the link to the GUI, the graphic user interface. Here's just a little intro. Here's an about me, something simple. Here's the algorithm that I used to create my quizzes. It will be uh in the future, I will add on to it more and keep modifying the website so it's up to date with all the new features I would add. And these are the challenges. Yeah, that's mostly it. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your time.